Starting around 11 January 2024, Dogecoin is exchanging at $0.0848 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.8% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. Doge truly has a truly all-out market cap of $12,095,948,655, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $822,610,948 in a sort of significant manner. This in every way that really matters makes Dogecoin, Doge, sort of positioning at 10 in the digital currency market, which fundamentally is very huge. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Dogecoin certainly be by and large worth in 2024, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2024, which especially is very critical? Will Doge cost truly outperform its untouched high, or so they really thought? These generally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2024, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Doge cost especially is supposed to for the most part cross a kind of normal value level of $0.1206, the normal sort of least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to all things considered, be $0.1165. Exhibiting that these explicitly are our Dogecoin cost forecasts for Doge's future. Besides, Doge can fundamentally arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.1387, showing how starting around 11 January 2024 Dogecoin by and large is exchanging at $0.0848 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.8% in most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogecoin, Doge, value gauge January 2024. For January 2024, the cost of Dogecoin really is truly anticipated to essentially arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.0855, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.0879 and an especially least of $0.0781, which fundamentally is very huge. Dogecoin value expectation February 2024. Dogecoin value sort of is supposed to truly reach between $0.0831 to $0.0922 in February 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of Doge for the February stays around $0.0872. Dogecoin value expectation walk 2024. Dogecoin cost is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.0866 to $0.0965 in walk 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of Doge for the walk truly remains around $0.0907. Dogecoin value expectation April 2024. Dogecoin cost truly is supposed to sort of reach between $0.0902 to $0.1011 in April 2024. While the typical cost of Doge for the April explicitly remains around $0.0943. Doge value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters is determined to basically be at around a very least worth of $0.0929 in a significant manner. The Dogecoin value worth can essentially arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.1048, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.0962 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin, Doge, value figure June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Dogecoin essentially is anticipated to explicitly arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.0981, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.1087 and a genuinely least of $0.0940 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Dogecoin cost certainly is gauged to essentially arrive at a practically the most reduced cost of $0.0980, showing that Dogecoin, Doge, value forecast 2024, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Doge cost in every way that really matters is supposed to truly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.1206, the normal especially least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to sort of be $0.1165, exhibiting that these truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which truly is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.1126, with the very normal expected cost around $0.1020, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Dogecoin cost essentially is estimate to sort of arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $0.1010 in a kind of huge manner. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.1177, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.1051, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Dogecoin cost basically is conjectured to in a real sense arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $0.1060 in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge cost could by and large arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $0.1230, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.1093 in a truly significant manner. Doge value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally is gauged to sort of be at around an essentially least worth of $0.1074 in a genuinely significant manner. The Dogecoin value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $0.1284, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.1115 in United States dollars in a genuinely significant way. Doge value estimate November 2024. The Dogecoin figure for November 2024 expects that the Doge may fundamentally arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.1329, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.1127, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Discussing the especially normal value Doge can in every practical sense stretch around $0.1159 for November, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation December 2024. The cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters is basically anticipated to explicitly reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.1165 in December 2024, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Doge cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme worth of $0.1387, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.1206 all through 2024, showing how starting around 11 January 2024 Dogecoin especially is exchanging at $0.0848 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.8% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin sort of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost essentially has shown a decent increment of